Welcome to Relax English Podcast.
Relax, listen, and improve your English. Hi, guys. So happy you're here with us today.
Yeah, and today we're talking about something super simple. Daily routines.
Ooh, I like this one. Because, everyone has a routine, right?
Exactly. Even if you don't think about it, you have one. Like you wake up, you do things, you go to sleep. That's a routine.
When you say it like that, it sounds so boring.
It's not boring. It's just normal life. And that's perfect for learning English because we use these words every single day.
True. This is really useful vocabulary.
So today, we'll talk about morning routines, then afternoon, then evening. And you'll learn simple words for all of it.
I love mornings, by the way. Well, most mornings.
Most mornings? What about the other mornings?
The other mornings, I just want 5 more minutes of sleep.
Same. Okay, let's start. What's the first thing you do in the morning?
I wake up. That's the first step, to wake up.
Right. And there's a small difference. Wake up means your eyes open, but get up means you leave the bed.
Oh, I never really thought about that. So I can wake up, but stay in bed?
Exactly. Like I wake up at 6, but I don't get up until 6:30.
6:30? That's late for you.
Hey, I like my 30 minutes, okay? It's my quiet time.
What do you do in those 30 minutes?
Honestly, nothing. I just lie there. I think about the day.
That's nice, actually. A quiet moment before everything starts.
Yeah. Okay, so after we get up, what's next?
We brush our teeth, we take a shower, we get dressed.
Good. Let's slow down on these. Brush your teeth. Clean your teeth with a toothbrush.
And take a shower? Wash your body with water.
And get dressed. Put on your clothes.
Simple actions, but very important words.
Very important, yes. Trust me, skip the shower and people will notice.
Ryan.
I'm joking.
Actually, not always. Sometimes I'm in a hurry.
What do you eat when you do have time?
Let me think. Usually just toast. Or sometimes eggs.
I always have coffee. Every single morning. Without coffee, I'm not a good person.
Same here. Coffee first, talking later.
Exactly. Okay, so here's a useful phrase. Have breakfast. Not eat breakfast. We usually say have.
Have breakfast. Have lunch? Have dinner? We use have for all meals?
Yes! Good pattern to remember.
That's helpful, actually. One word for everything.
Right. So after breakfast, most people leave the house. What do we call that?
Leave the house. Or head out?
Head out is more casual. Like, I'm heading out now. Bye.
I'm heading out now. See, that feels natural.
Perfect. Okay, let's talk about the day part now. Work, school, whatever people do.
Right. The afternoon routine.
So, how do you get to work? Or how do people usually get to work?
Some people walk, some people drive, some people take the bus or the train.
Adding. And all of this, we call it commuting, the trip to work.
My commute is 20 minutes by car.
Mine is longer. I take the train, so 40 minutes maybe.
40 minutes? What do you do for 40 minutes?
Honestly, I listen to podcasts or music. Sometimes I just look out the window.
That sounds relaxing, actually.
It can be, some days. Other days, the train is full, and it's not relaxing at all.
I believe that.
Okay, so once we arrive, we start work. Simple phrase, right?
Yes. And later, we take a break.
Take a break means stop working for a short time. Rest a little.
And then have lunch. Same pattern as breakfast.
See? You're already using the pattern.
I am. What do you usually have for lunch?
Let me think. Usually something quick. A sandwich, maybe.
Do you eat at your desk or somewhere else?
Wait. No, actually, I try not to eat at my desk. I try to take a real break.
That's smart. It's good to rest your eyes, too.
Exactly. Okay, so after lunch, we go back to work. Then, at some point, the day ends.
We finish work or get off work?
Get off work is common in speaking. Like, I get off work at 5.
I get off work at 6 usually.
What's the first thing you do after work?
I usually check my phone. Is that bad?
No, that's normal. Everyone does that.
Okay, good. I don't feel so bad now.
All right, let's move to the evening now. The evening routine.
Yes, my favorite part of the day.
Why is that your favorite?
Because it's slow. No rush. Just relaxing.
I feel that. Okay, so what's the first thing you do when you get home?
I usually cook dinner. Or sometimes order food.
Cook dinner means make food yourself. Order food means someone brings it to you.
Or we could say, have dinner delivered.
Right. Good phrase.
Do you cook every night?
Not every night. Maybe 4 nights a week. The other nights, I'm too tired.
Same here. Cooking after a long day is hard.
It really is. Okay, so after dinner, what do people usually do?
Watch TV, read a book, talk with family, relax on the couch.
Good phrase. Wind down. It means relax slowly before bed.
Wind down. I like that phrase. It sounds calm.
It is calm. So, how do you wind down?
Honestly, I watch a little TV. Then I read for maybe 10 minutes.
What are you reading these days?
Oh, just a simple novel. Nothing serious.
That sounds nice. I usually just scroll on my phone, which is probably not great before sleep.
We all do that, though.
True. Okay, and then finally, we go to bed.
Or we could say head to bed. Same pattern as head out.
Good connection. You're really catching these patterns today.
Thank you. I'm trying.
Okay, so quick review. Morning, wake up, get up, brush your teeth, take a shower, get dressed, have breakfast, head out.
Day, commute, start work, take a break, have lunch, finish work, or get off work.
Evening, get home, cook dinner or order food, wind down, head to bed.
That's a full day right there.
Okay, so we covered the basics, but let's go a little deeper. Let's talk about the little habits people have, the small stuff.
Oh, like what?
Like, some people have a habit right after waking up, before anything else.
Oh, I know mine. I check the weather. Every single morning.
Really? Every day?
Every day. I need to know if I need a jacket.
That's very practical of you.
Hey, it's important. What's your little habit?
Let me think. Honestly, I make my bed right after I get up.
Wait, really? Every morning?
Every morning. It's small, but it makes me feel ready for the day.
That's a good habit, actually. A small win first thing.
Exactly. A small win. Okay, so here's a useful phrase for this. A morning habit. Or a routine.
Checking the weather is my morning habit.
Perfect sentence.
Okay, what about habits during the day? Like at work?
Oh, definitely. Like, some people always get coffee at the same time, like clockwork.
Guilty. 3 o'clock every day. I need coffee.
3 o'clock coffee. That's a real thing for a lot of people.
It really is. It's like a little reward in the middle of the day.
A little reward. Yeah. Good phrase there, too. Treat myself. Like, I treat myself to coffee at 3.
I treat myself to coffee at 3 o'clock.
Perfect. Okay, let's talk about something else. What about exercise? Is that part of your routine?
It should be, but some weeks yes, some weeks no.
Honest answer.
What about you? Do you exercise?
I try to. Usually in the morning, actually, before work.
What do you do?
Just a short walk or sometimes a quick workout at home. Nothing crazy.
That's still good. Better than nothing.
True. Okay, here's a phrase, work out. 2 words when it's a verb. I work out in the morning.
And one word, workout, when it's a noun?
Exactly. Good catch. I do a quick workout. See the difference?
Got it. Small detail, but useful.
Right. So let's think about this differently. What if your routine changes? Like, what if something breaks your normal day?
Like what? An example?
Like, let's say you wake up late. What happens then?
Oh, total chaos. Everything moves fast. No time for breakfast.
Same here. When I wake up late, I skip breakfast completely.
Skip breakfast, skip the slow morning, just rush out the door.
Good phrase. Rush out the door. Means leave in a hurry.
I rushed out the door this morning. Sounds natural.
Very natural. Okay, one more scenario. What if you're sick? Does your routine change?
Oh, completely. Everything slows down.
What do you do differently?
I stay in bed longer. I don't rush anywhere. I just rest.
Same. When I'm sick, my only routine is drink tea and sleep.
The sick day routine. Very simple.
Very simple. Yes. Okay, here's a phrase for this. Take it easy. Means relax. Don't push yourself.
When I'm sick, I take it easy.
Perfect. What about weekends again? We talked about this a little, but do you ever plan things? Or is it always relaxed? Both, actually. Saturday is usually plans. Sunday is always relaxed.
What kind of plans on Saturday?
Sometimes I meet friends. Sometimes I run errands.
Run errands. That means small tasks, right? Like shopping or the bank?
Exactly. Small tasks you need to do.
I usually run errands on Saturday morning too. Then the afternoon is free.
Same pattern. Okay, and Sunday?
Sunday is sacred. No errands, no plans. Just rest.
Sacred. I like that word for it.
It really is sacred to me.
All right. I think we've covered a lot today. Let's do a full recap. One more time. Nice and slow.
Yes, let's do it properly this time.
Morning, wake up, get up, brush your teeth, take a shower, get dressed, have breakfast, head out.
Day, commute, start work, take a break, have lunch, finish work, get off work.
Evening, get home, cook dinner, order food, wind down, head to bed.
And extra phrases. Morning habit, treat myself, work out, rush out the door, take it easy, run errands.
That's a lot of useful English from one simple topic.
Daily routines really do teach you a lot, don't they?
They really do, because you use this language every day in real life.
So try it today. Talk about your own routine out loud in English.
Even just one sentence. I wake up at 7. That's a start.
Every small step counts.
It really does. All right, everyone. That's our episode for today.
Thank you so much for listening with us.
If you enjoyed this, come back tomorrow for another episode.
Take care of yourselves, and we'll see you next time.
Bye, everyone.